To add liquidity in Uniswap Subgraph, start by understanding the basics of Uniswap and the role of liquidity providers. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless manner. Liquidity providers are essential to the ecosystem, as they supply the assets that facilitate trading. First, ensure you have a digital wallet, such as MetaMask, and that it is funded with the tokens you wish to provide as liquidity. Navigate to the Uniswap interface and connect your wallet. Select the pool you want to add liquidity to, taking into consideration the pool's fees, liquidity, and trading volume. Next, click on the Add Liquidity button and enter the amount of tokens you want to provide. It is crucial to maintain a balanced ratio of the two tokens in the pool to avoid impermanent loss. The Uniswap protocol will calculate the amount of the other token you need to add to maintain this balance. After entering the amounts, review the transaction details, including the fees and the expected liquidity provider tokens you will receive. These tokens represent your share of the pool and can be used to claim your portion of the trading fees. Confirm the transaction and wait for it to be processed on the blockchain. Once the transaction is confirmed, your liquidity has been successfully added to the Uniswap pool. You can monitor your liquidity position and the pool's performance on the Uniswap interface or through the subgraph, which provides real-time data on the state of the protocol. As a best practice, it is essential to regularly review and adjust your liquidity position to optimize your returns and minimize potential losses. This includes monitoring the pool's fees, trading volume, and liquidity, as well as being aware of any changes in market conditions that may affect the pool's performance. By following these steps and maintaining a well-informed approach to liquidity provision, you can effectively contribute to the Uniswap ecosystem while generating returns on your cryptocurrency holdings.